So by the way, if you are new to my video, please like and subscribe. My first expectation regarding this chance is to enhance my skills and learn everything, and when I learn it, I use it for business and everything na magagamit ko siya saan. Kasi alam kong marami akong alam pag manicure, salon, makeup, at nail extension, at marami pa kasi actually hindi talaga ako beauty care. Nalagay lang ako dito kasi puno na to eh. Gas talaga ang gusto ko standing. I think okay din naman ito dito. So, okay na.